Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now tap on Security and Login. And tap on Use two-factor authentication. Now tap on Turn Off. Then tap on Turn Off again. And your two-factor authentication is now turned off. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.